What was your most fun thing?
Art camp. My name is Sayla and I'm 10 years old, and I registered for art camp because my parents had to go to work, and I had fun all week with Mr. Lee and everybody else. I had fun making this picture.
What about the whole camp?
And this camp is really awesome. I had fun playing with new friends and had fun playing with the art and other things that happen here. I enjoyed having to meet new teachers that come here to teach us new things, like the art, like music. I had fun. It's fun at that camp, and it's fun doing art because you can work with Uncle Lee and you can make fun stuff like this, and you can make masks, and we made puppets because there's gonna be a show. And it's gonna be lots of fun. Yes, I did have a fun time.
Would you do this again?
Yes. My favorite favorite part of the camp was when we've been making lots of masks, and yeah, I had fun. Fun with doing lots of stuff with being here. I think I had a good time. I had fun.
Yeah.
I had a good time. Thank you, Miss Anne.
Thank you, Anne.
Thank you, Anne.
Thank you, Anne.
Thank you, Anne. Thank you, Miss Anne. Thank you, Mom. Thank you to Miss Anne, and I love art camp.